God motivate hearing you again. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. I do not own the rights to this music. Some great jazz setting the tone for you guys. It's very important to make sure you're listening and taking advice from the right people. You know, you don't want to take advice on getting to the bag or earning a lot of money from somebody that's not earning a lot of money. Somebody that doesn't have a passive income. You don't want to receive information regarding how to get your business off the ground from somebody that doesn't have their business off the ground. You know, somebody that started and then stopped. Now I'm going to give you business pointers of what you can do. No, thank you. No, thank you. So you got, want to make sure you're careful with this, man. I want to make sure you're careful with this. So on the last video, I gave you guys the free sauce of rent reporters. That's going to give you 2 years back history. Hopefully you have been at your address for at least 2 to 3 years. The address you are, your credit's cleaning up. You're cleaning your credit. Your business credit is being built up as we speak. And your personal credit as a personal guarantor is looking good too. So I'm going to give you, 5 main things that lenders look for, and also the loan scoring system. Yeah. Each bank has a system that determines the acceptability of the borrower. Okay? This scoring system takes into account your income, the length of your employment, your residence. Anyway, look, I'm going to give you the 5. Are you ready? Number 1, a salary of at least $1,500 per month. That's what they want to see. They want to make sure you have that $1,500 every month. That way, if they give you this loan, you can make the minimum payments back. Number 2, at least 5 years at the current address. At least 5 years at the current address. Okay? Employed at present job for at least 2 years. That can be your own LLC. That could be wherever you're at. They want to see that you've been there, had a steady job for 2 years. They want to see that, man. Want to see you had that steady job for 2 years. And they also, last but not least, number 5, what they want to see is they want to see that telephone, not that cell phone. They want to see that landline in your name. Want to see that landline. Now, that could be in your business name also, but they want to see that it's connected to you, that you indeed have a landline to match that address. These are the 5 things that they check for. Hope you found this video useful. Drop a like and comment below. Chill.